laugh, live his life, live this moment for him. Our love life surrounds for him. Admire that our steps lead to him. The true wine is him. The true bread is born for him. Who came from heaven are both of them. Love as she loves him. Carry as she carry him. Fill our hearts with him, the only heiress to reign. As his peace resides within, then joy will rise from him. That we have a mother like him. Nothing to fear if we have him, the King of all kings that never sin. So we are glad that we will win. Those who sin, please return to him. Open your heart for him. He is like his mom, so kind. If there is still time, please call both of them, so we will not be forgotten by him. Eternal life is a gift when we are free from sin. If we only believe in him.